How to use dark mode feature on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use dark mode feature on YouTube. So first what you have to do is simply open up your YouTube. So you can see right here that my YouTube is dark, right? I'm using a dark mode. You can also switch to dark mode on YouTube. So what you have to do is you will simply open up your YouTube, go to your home, and in your home you will simply go to your profile right here. And in profile, you simply have to go to settings. When you go to settings, then you can simply go to general, and in general, you will find the appearance option. And in appearance, we can go for light theme, dark theme, or use device theme. Let's say that your YouTube is in light theme. You can simply go ahead and change it to dark theme, and you will be able to enable the dark mode on YouTube. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.